Hello there, Harold Newbill, McClatchy Insurance Agency.
Dan Loesch, D. Loesch Construction.
And we're here today to share a little bit about rebuilding costs when buying an insurance policy and making sure that the policy you buy is insured to value so it will perform when you need it the most.
Harold, we're a residential contracting company. We specialize in new builds, additions, remodels, kitchens and bathrooms. So anything residential, we specialize in.
Understood. So in your time, you've probably rebuilt quite a few homes, and in doing so, probably seen how much per foot it usually costs.
Yeah, Harold, I would say typically what we're seeing is about $200 to $250 per square foot on average to build a house in the Sacramento area. Costs have gone up over the last few years, cost of labor, rising cost of materials, rising costs of insurances. There's actually quite a bit more involved in construction now with the newer building codes than there was 10, 15 years ago. So yeah, we are seeing a significant rise in cost from the old days when $100 to $125 a square foot was sufficient enough to insure your home.
So what you're saying is that if somebody were comparing a quote from one company versus another, and one of them was saying 150 a foot and one was 200 a foot, you'd recommend that person buy which policy?
Definitely the 200 a foot. And I would even say for a premium house, I might even go up to 250 or 300, depending on what you have in the house, your appliances, your custom cabinetry versus prefabricated, your finished carpentry in the house. You could be talking about an additional $10,000 to $15,000 per room if you want to rebuild it the way it was.
Understood. Now, what if that was in the Bay Area, say San Francisco or things in that area? Do you think that those costs would be higher?
I would say that we see about a 25 to 35% increase in construction cost in that area. Some of my friends that have gotten quotes in the Bay Area have seen about that rise in cost of a kitchen remodel. As say a $40,000 kitchen remodel here in Sacramento might run you $50,000 to $55,000 there.
So you would say probably in the Bay Area, 300 a foot would be much more normal for a normal home, and maybe 400 or 500 a foot for a really nice home?
Yes, and also you have the difficulty of access to a lot of the homes in the Bay Area. They're very densely populated, very difficult to get a construction crew in some of those areas. So you also have to worry about access. So you would be correct in saying maybe $400, $500 per square foot in San Francisco proper or a densely populated like that.
Okay. Well, I hope that you found that educational and this time with Dan and his experience helpful to you. We always recommend that you insure to value. We provide you a replacement cost estimate so you can see where our numbers are coming from, because our goal is to make sure that that coverage performs, that when you need to hire Dan to rebuild your home, that you have the money to do that. So I want to thank you for watching our video today and hope you will tune in for other videos with Dan and other experts where we look at how insurance policies work from the perspective of experts and get you that information. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.